showing you the stretches with a stretch cord which can be done for your lower legs. So starting with first stretch, I'm going to show with the hamstring stretch. Place the stretch cord, it is a non-elastic one. Place a stretch cord at your forefoot and try to take the leg up straight. You can hook your hand inside in the loop here and try to bring your foot towards yourself. So you will get a stretch for your hamstrings. Then the next stretch, it's an IT band stretch. Make sure your knee is straight and your foot is also pulled up. So you're going to get the stretch throughout. And your shoulder has to be resting down. Then for your inner thigh, the adductor stretch, take the leg on the other side. So you'll get a stretch on your inner thigh. Bring it back to the center and rest it down. Make sure that you don't stretch if you are not able to stretch to the extreme limits of it. You will gradually come able to do those stretches to complete the 90-degree angle. Otherwise, if you feel a stretch in your muscles, that is the exact position. You should stay there and hold there for 30 seconds. If you are not able to hold for 30 seconds, then try doing it for 20 seconds at least. Now I'll show you the stretch without the stretch cord for your glutes. Now glutes have 3 muscles. So we'll be doing in 3 different ways the glute stretch. For the first stretch, above your knee at the mid thigh, keep the leg opposite side and stretch. So you will feel the stretch on the glutes. Then near the knee joint, keep the foot and stretch again. Then lower, so near your lower leg, the center of it, and stretch. So these 3 stretches are for glute maximus, glute medius and glute minimus. Now I will show you for a piriformis muscle the stretch. So my knee is outside, my hand is pulling it towards my body. This is one way. The second way, it can be you bend your knee, keep the leg across and then pull it towards you. So you should feel a stretch over here. This is a piriformis stretch. Then for your quadriceps muscle, lie down on your tummy and just pull them up. This is one way, and the second way, along with the quadriceps, you can also stretch your psoas muscle. So keep your leg ahead and stretch. If you have a knee pain, make sure you don't do this stretch. You can do it standing position so that knee is not dashing against the floor. Then for your calf muscle, you can keep your foot on the couch ahead, heel is on the floor that way, and the leg which is behind, it has to go up this way. So it is going to give you a stretch on your calf muscle. And the last stretch, it's going to be soleus stretch. So you keep your foot ahead, one leg ahead and back, and then knee bent, little soft on the other leg as well, but make sure your heel is on the floor. So you will get a stretch near the ankle. So these are individual muscle stretches. A compound stretch where you can work on more muscles together can be done in one more position. So in a triangle position, you can sit where I have crossed my leg. My toe is near my knee joint. So I'm going to get a stretch on my quadriceps here, piriformis here, and I'm going to go for a stretch. So I will also get a stretch on my back muscle. for your shin muscle. You can also stretch in this particular position. Sit in a kneeling position and just keep your hands back. So these are all the lower limb stretches which you can do to avoid any kind of pain or aches to your back or your lower legs. Thank you.